Hey everybody, it's Rich coming at you with an unboxing of the Logitech K810 Bluetooth illuminated keyboard. So we'll pull it out of the box here and see what we've got. This is a backlit keyboard like a lot of the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro keyboards are, but it's meant for your desktop. And it can connect to 3 devices, so you can easily change between them with 3 function keys. It's easy to pick which device you want to be paired with, so you can have your phone, your tablet, and your desktop, or whatever combination of 3 devices you like. But before we get to unwrapping the keyboard, let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we've got a black plastic or black paper pack here. Let's see what's inside. We've got the mini USB cable, that's for charging the internal battery of the keyboard, and they say you can get about 10 days of use between recharges. And we've also got a quick start setup guide. So this keyboard has an MSRP of about $100, although you can definitely find it for cheaper. I got it for around 75 bucks with a price match. Now let's pull off the plastic. This is always my favorite part of every unboxing, because we get to finally feel and see the product. And here it is, the Logitech K810. Push some buttons here, give it a lift up, and I'll leave you with some detailed shots of the keyboard. So guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to leave a comment on the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.